The Apple Vision Pro is an amazing spatial computing device. As a VR video creator, I use mine daily for both work and entertainment for many hours a day. But the Vision Pro is also kind of heavy and can strain your face and neck over long periods of time. I've tried many third-party Headstrap options, including this brand new ResMed Contour, and I wanted to share my opinion about it. Today I'm going to compare the ResMed Contour to the Globular Cluster, the AnnaPro version 2, as well as the Belkin Top Strap. Which one is my favorite? Which one is most travel friendly? Which ones are great for using without the light seal, which generally I prefer? The Belkin Top Strap is an accessory that works with the Solo knit band to give you some extra support. It helps distribute the Vision Pro's weight on the top of your head. It's an improvement over the Solo knit band on its own, is easy to adjust, and doesn't take up much room, which is great for travel. For most people, this is an easy upgrade for your Vision Pro comfort. It costs $50. The AnnaPro version 2 is also a top strap, but it's made of hard plastic with a soft cushion underneath that comes with a few different cushion sizes that you attach with Velcro, depending on the best shape for your head. You use it with the Solo knit band, and for a long time this was my favorite third-party head strap for the Vision Pro. It's lightweight, it's comfortable, and allows you to remove the light seal for even greater comfort and field of view. Putting it on your head and adjusting the Solo knit band is very easy and quick. There you go. One drawback is that it's very tall and doesn't fit in most travel cases if you leave it attached to your device. It's also kind of a pain to remove from the device because you have to remove the power cord, which restarts your Vision Pro. So traveling with it isn't ideal. The AnnaPro runs about $50. The Globular Cluster CMA1 is a halo type strap. There's a hard strap on the top and a big textured pad that can be tightened down with a knob on the back. It is very comfortable to use for many hours and is excellent to use without the light seal, increasing your field of view greatly. In fact, I prefer using it for long multi-hour work sessions on my Vision Pro. But it is big and bulky. It doesn't fit in travel cases, and it kind of looks like you're wearing a stormtrooper helmet. Finally, the brand new ResMed Contour. It was designed by the same company that's been making CPAP sleep masks for 35 years. The ResMed Contour has 3 different support straps to keep the Vision Pro comfortably on your head and made from high quality materials. It includes counterweights to further customize your fit. The counterweights really help distribute the weight better, making the Vision Pro feel almost weightless. It comes with 6 weights which attach to the straps using secure Velcro. You only feel the weight when putting on the headset or taking it off. Wearing everything together feels almost weightless. The design makes lying down comfortable too, especially if you remove the counterweights. The ResMed is more travel friendly than the AnnaPro or the Globular Cluster. It fits perfectly in my small Syntec travel case. It also uses Apple's own attachment system to secure to the Vision Pro, so it's fast to attach and remove. I prefer using my Apple Vision Pro without the light seal whenever possible. Fortunately, the ResMed head strap does work without the light seal. If you use it without the light seal, there is a bit of wiggle room if you move your head around, and more adjustment is needed to help keep the Vision Pro off your nose and away from your eyes. In this situation, I feel the Globular Cluster actually works better if you prefer wearing your Vision Pro without a light seal. I found the best way to use the ResMed is to do an initial adjustment of all 3 straps to your head, but then after that, all you have to do is remove the back strap to take it off or put it back on. You don't have to adjust all 3 straps every time you wear it. Out of all the straps I've tried, the ResMed Contour is the most well-rounded. It's comfortable, travel friendly, and you can use it lying down. It's also possible to use without the light seal. But at $120 on the Apple Store, it's also the most expensive. If I'm being picky, for all-day work sessions, I find the Globular Cluster is actually more comfortable, faster, and nicer to use without the light seal. I've decided to keep them both because I work and travel a lot with my Vision Pro. But if I could only pick one, I think the ResMed is a better all-around choice. The ResMed comes in 2 sizes, small and medium large. I've tried both sizes, and even with a small head, The small was just too small. So unless you have a freakishly small head, I'd go with the medium large. Remember, everyone has different head shapes, and what works for me might not work for you. Let me know if you have any questions about any of these head straps. I'm Matt from Escape VR, and I make immersive VR travel videos from around the world. Thanks for watching.